Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are listening me in the good state of health and you are doing well your homes. And let's continue our today's topic. So we are just going to discuss about the binary system conversion, and the conversion we have to do today is hexadecimal to binary. Means you have a number or you have a system which is in the hexadecimal, means part 16, and then you will convert it part 2, means in the binary system. Okay, so we will go for the table which we have done yesterday, right? So here is the table. I'm just repeating it so you can recall that how this table can create. So first of all, there are 4 columns because hexadecimal is always works with 4 digits. So these are 4 digits, means 4 bits, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the first column, you have to go one by one. Means 1, 0, 1 time 1, 1 time 0, 1 time 1, and so on. The process will be continue at the end. And in the second column, you have to go 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1. And in this way, you can do this column as well. And at the end, you will get the 8 times 0 and 8 times 1, right? So in the third column, we will go for the 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 4 times 0, 4 times 1. And at the end, in the fourth column, we will go for the 8 times 0 and 8 times 1. So here we can get the values of the digits from 0 to 50. Here is the value of 0, then 1, 2, so on. 10 will be the A in hexadecimal system. So we will go for this value, B 11. We will go for this value, C 12. We will go for this value, D, E, F. Okay. So we have to go for these values. So here is an example. First of all, this number is in hexadecimal and we have to convert it in the binary system, right? So we will go for the one by one. First of all, A, then we will go for 2 and for 3 as well. Now we have to identify the value of these numbers in this table, right? So first of all, we will go for A. Here is A, and we will go for this value, this one, which is 1010. I'm just writing down it here, 1010. Then we will go for the 2. Here is the 2, and you can get 0010. Okay, we have to do this value, 0010, right? And now we'll go for the 3. Here is the 3, 0011, right? So I'm just writing it down here, 0011. In this way, we can get all the values from the table. Now it's time to join these values. How can we join this? First of all, we have to write this value, 1010. Why? Because A is on the first. Now we will go for this value, 0010. And then we will go for this value, 0011. In this way, we can say that this is the binary of A23, which is in hexadecimal number, right? Okay, here we can see that there is another example, 70C558. So we will go for the one by one. For first of all 7, then we will go for 0, C, for 5, again for 5, and for 8. What we are gonna do? We are just going to do identify values from this table and write it down. And in this way, we can get the binary value of this hexadecimal number. So what will be value of 7? Here is the 7. So the value will be 0111. And I am just writing down it here. 0111. Then we have to move to 0. What will be the value of 0? 0's value will be 0, 0, 0 and 0. All are off bits. C. In the decimal number, C is 12. So we will go for 1100. 1100. Then we will go for 5. Here is the 5. And we have to go 0101. Again, we will have to go for 5, 0101. And then we will go for 8. 8 is 100. Right? So in this way, we can identify all the values from the table. Now it's time to join these. So first of all, we will start from here and we will go there. 0, 111, 4 times 0, 110, 0101, 0101 and 1000. So here is the binary value of hexadecimal number 7035558. Okay, now we have to go for the conversion from binary to hexadecimal. Means that we will take a number which is in binary system and we are going to convert it into hexadecimal. So how can we do it? First of all, we have to make pairs from the right side, from this side, from the right side, and the pair will be of 4 digits, right? So first of all, I will write it again. And then I will start to make the pairs of 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. This will be a pair, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be a pair. So here we can see that there are 2 pairs in our example, right? Now we are going to find okay, let's take a 1 here. I just add a 1 and now we will go for the pairing. So we will go for this pair and then we will go for this pair and here is the one remaining. So what will be the one here? We will add, we have to make it 4 digit. So we will add 30 here. Here it comes the 4 digit number and then we will go for the pairing. So we start from here, 1, 1, 1, 1. In this table, where you can find the 4, 1, means 4 times 1. So in this place, you can find the 4 times 1s, right? Here are the 4 times 1. So this will be in hexadecimal F. What it will be? F. And then we will go for 1010. So in this table, where you can see 1010. So we can take it this one, 1010, and this will be the A. This will be A. So here we will go for the A. Now we will go for triple zero and 1. So here you can find it. Triple zero and 1, which is 1 in hexadecimal. So we will go for the 1. Okay. Now it's time to write the answers. What will be the answer now? The answer will be 1AF60. Means the answer will be 1AF and the power will be 60. So in this way, you can convert any number which is in binary system and you have to convert in the hexadecimal system. So in this way, you can do it with the help of this table. So we will go for another example. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. It is the binary number and we have to convert into hexadecimal number. So we will go for okay. Now we have to make the pair of 4. So here are 2 pairs of 4 digits. Now we will go for their value in the table. 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. So answer will be
1.
1. Very good. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. This one.
Yeah.
0, 0, 1, 1. 12. And the answer will be C. Answer will be
C.
C, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in this way, we can say that this number in binary is equal to C1 in hexadecimal system. Because here we can value of 110, which is C. So C1 will be the answer. Okay, now we will take a look from the book that what we have done today. So I'm just opening the book from with you. Here you can see what we have done today. We have done from page number 37, right? So we will go for hexadecimal to binary. We have done the 2 questions from hexadecimal to binary, and these are the examples which are present on your book as well. Here you can see, and this is the table which I have done on the board. And if you have any complexity, you can take it from here, or you can take a screenshot of the board as well. So here is the example. Example 1, which we have done. Okay. So here is the example 2. At the bottom side of the page, here you can see this one. Okay. Then we have done the 2 questions from binary to hexa. So here are the
questions फिर से करिएगा.
yes.
Questions फिर से बताइएगा.
Okay. We have done 4 examples, or you can say 4 questions today. Okay. These 2 are from binary to hexadecimal to binary. Okay. These 2. And this is the table we have created in the class today. And other 2 examples we have done are from the binary to hexadecimal. These are the 2 examples which we have done today, which are these. Okay. Now you have to practice of this example on your rough notebook. Okay. Okay, in this way our today's lesson has been end, and I have to say goodbye. Take care of yourself and revise your lesson in a good way. Allah Hafiz everyone.